Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. This is your maths teacher Shweta Bajaj.
Now students, we were doing our chapter number 5 fractions. And in the previous video, we learnt about the addition of fractions, in which we learnt how to add the like fractions, how to add the unlike fractions, and we have started with our exercise 5C. Now students, in our today's video, we are going to continue with our exercise 5C. But before starting, subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share and like the video, and please mention your name, class and section in the comment box for attendance.
Now students, firstly I have taken question number 4 of exercise 5C, and the question says that a lift can carry a total weight of 500 kg. 5 people enter the lift whose weights are 70 whole 2 by 5 kg, 87 whole 1 by 3 kg, 67 whole 3 by 4 kg, 59 whole 1 by 2 kg and 99 whole 1 by 3 kg respectively. Will the lift be able to carry all the 5 people, and what is their total weight? Now students, in the solutions, firstly we will write down these statements, and the first statement is total weight a lift can carry is equals to 500 kg. Now students, if you will see the weight of all the 5 persons, it is given in mixed fractions. So we will convert their weights into an improper fraction. So weight of first person, that is equals to 70 whole 2 by 5 kg. On converting, that will be equals to 352 by 5 kg. Weight of second person is equals to 87 whole 1 by 3 kg. On converting, that will be equals to 262 by 3 kg. Weight of third person is equals to 67 whole 3 by 4 kg. On converting it, we will get 271 by 4 kg. Weight of fourth person, that is equals to 59 whole 1 by 2 kg. On converting, that will be equals to 119 by 2 kg. And the weight of fifth person is equals to 99 whole 1 by 3 kg. And on converting it, we will get 298 by 3 kg. Now students, we want to find out the total weight. Therefore, we will add all these improper fractions. And students, if you will see these fractions, here the denominators are different. So that means what we will do, we will find out their LCM, and on finding the LCM, what we will get? We will get 60. Right. Now in the next step, we will write the 60 in the denominator. Now students, see here the denominator of first fraction. Here the denominator is 5. So on dividing 60 by 5, we got 12. So that means this 352 will be multiplied by 12. Here the denominator is 3, and on dividing 60 by 3 we will get 20. So 262 will be multiplied by 20. Here the denominator is 4, and on dividing 60 by 4 we will get 15. So 271 will be multiplied by 15. Here the denominator is 2, and on dividing 60 by 2 we will get 30. So 119 will be multiplied by 30. Here the denominator is 3, and on dividing 60 by 3 we will get 20. So 298 will be multiplied by 20. Now students, in the next step we will multiply 352 by 12. We will get 4224. On multiplying 262 by 20, we will get 5240. On multiplying 271 by 15, we will get 4065. On multiplying 119 by 30, we will get 3570. And on multiplying 298 by 20, we will get 5960. And on solving this, we will get 23,059 by 60 kg. Now students, this is an improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed fraction, and its mixed fraction is 384 whole 19 by 60 kg. Now students, this is the total weight. If you will see the total weight, that is less than 500 kg. So therefore, yes, the lift will be able to carry all the 5 people, and their total weight is 384 whole 19 by 60 kg. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is question number 7, and question number 7 says that my mother mixed 200 whole 2 by 5 gram of flour, 3 eggs weighing 50 whole 4 by 5 gram each, 20 whole 3 by 7 gram of sugar, and 60 whole 1 by 4 gram of butter to bake a cake. Approximately how much will the cake weigh? Now students, in the statements, first of all we will write down the weight of the ingredients, that is weight of flour, weight of 1 egg, weight of sugar, weight of butter. Right? Now students, if you will see all these weights are given in mixed fractions, so we will convert it into improper fractions. And here one more thing is to be noticed, that we are given with the weight of each egg. That means weight of 1 egg is given to us, but the mother is using 3 eggs, so we will multiply the weight of 1 egg by 3. Right, and on multiplying it by 3, we will get 762 by 5 gram. Now students, since we want to find out the weight of the cake, so what we will do? We will add the weight of all the ingredients. That is 1002 by 5 gram plus 762 by 5 gram plus 143 by 7 gram plus 241 by 4 gram. Now students, here if we will see the first two fractions, their denominators are same. So we will write denominator as it is, and we simply add their numerators. And on adding the numerators, we will get 1764 by 5 gram. Now students, here if you will see these three fractions, their denominators are different. So what we will do? We will find out their LCM, and LCM of 5, 7 and 4 will comes out to be 140. Now students, we will write this 140 in the denominator, and see here the first fraction, its denominator is 5, and on dividing 140 by 5, we will get 28. So students, we will multiply 1764 by 28. Then plus sign will come. Here the denominator is 7, and on dividing 140 by 7, we will get 20. So students, we will multiply 143 by 20. And here again plus sign will come. Now here the denominator is 4, and we know that on dividing 140 by 4, we will get 35. So we will multiply 241 by 35. Now students, on solving this, we will get 60,687 by 140 gram. Now students, this is an improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed fraction, and on converting, we will get 433 whole 67 by 140 gram. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is question number 8, and it says that weight of an empty carton is 1 whole 2 by 5 kg, and it is filled with books weighing 47 whole 2 by 7 kg. What is the weight of the carton along with the books? Now students, in the solution, firstly we will write down weight of an empty carton, and that is equals to 1 whole 2 by 5 kg. Now students, this is a mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper fraction, and on converting we will get 7 by 5 kg. Now students, weight of books is equals to 47 whole 2 by 7 kg. This is also mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper fraction. And on converting, we will get 331 by 7 kg. Now students, we want to find out the weight of the carton along with the books. So that means what we will do? We will add them, and on adding, what we will get? We will get 7 by 5 kg plus 331 by 7 kg. Now students, here if you will see the denominators, both the denominators are different. So students, what we will do? We will find out their LCM, and their LCM comes out to be 35. Now students, after finding out their LCM, in the denominator we will write 35. Okay, now after this we will see the first fraction. Here the denominator of the first fraction is 5, and you know that 35 divided by 5 will gives us 7. So we will multiply that 7 by this numerator, that is 7 multiplied by 7. Then this plus sign will come. Now here the denominator is 7, and you know that 35 divided by 7 will gives us 5. So students, we will multiply 5 by this numerator, that is 5 multiplied by 331. Now students, on solving this, we will get 1704 by 35 kg. Now if you will see this, this is an improper fraction. So students, we will convert this into a mixed fraction, and on converting, we will get 48 whole 24 by 35 kg as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, next I have taken is question number 10, and it says that in the morning Mr. Verma's weight is 57 whole 3 by 5 kg. During the day, after eating breakfast and lunch, his weight increases by 1 whole 2 by 7 kg. What is Mr. Verma's weight post lunch? Now students, first of all, in the solution, we will write down these statements, and the first statement is Mr. Verma's weight in morning is equals to 57 whole 3 by 5 kg. Now on converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction, we will get 288 by 5 kg. Now increase in weight after breakfast and lunch is equals to 1 whole 2 by 7 kg, and on converting this into improper fraction, we will get 9 by 7 kg. Now students, since we want to find out Mr. Verma's weight post lunch, means after having lunch, what is his weight? So students, what we will do? We will add Mr. Verma's weight in morning and his increase in weight after breakfast and lunch. So students, here if you will see these fractions, denominators are different. So what we will do? We will find out their LCM, and LCM will comes out to be 35. Now students, see the first fraction. The denominator is 5. Now you know that this 35 divided by 5 will gives us 7. So we will multiply this numerator 288 by 7. Now we will put this plus sign. Now students, here the denominator is 7, and on dividing 35 by 7, we will get 5. So students, what we will do? We will multiply 5 by 9. Okay, and in the denominator we will write down the LCM, that is 35. Now students, on solving this, we will get 2061 upon 35 kg. Now students, this is an improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed fraction, and on converting it into mixed fraction, we will get 58 whole 31 by 35 kg as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you.
So students, with this our exercise 5C is over. Now pause your video and note down your home task, and in your home task I have given you question number 5, question number 6 and question number 9. For any doubts and queries, you can leave your message in the comment section. I hope you like the video. Thank you.